Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of intimacy with the UTIMI Bondage for Sex 11 PC's BDSM leather bondage sets, a versatile and thrilling kit designed for women and couples looking to explore new dimensions of pleasure. This comprehensive set includes a pair of handcuffs, shackles, nipple clamps, a whip, a rope, a gag, a plumage, a collar, a cross strap, a blindfold, and a paddle, all crafted from superior leather and nylon materials that are safe and non-toxic to the body. The set has been thoughtfully upgraded from a 10-in-1 to an 11-in-1 suit, offering adjustable options suitable for both men and women, allowing for multiple bondage, restraint, and suspension positions to suit your desires. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious beginner, this kit provides endless possibilities for exploration and connection. Each item is designed with comfort and safety in mind, ensuring an enjoyable experience for all involved. The set is discreetly boxed in a confidential package, delivered without any sensitive words, so you can explore your fantasies with complete peace of mind. Unleash your imagination and deepen your connection with your partner with this exciting and comprehensive BDSM set. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.